morning all. Happy Independence Day. Before I begin my speech, let me take you back to the year 1929. Bhagat Singh, just 21 years old at that time, along with Buddhakeshwar Dutt, entered the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. They threw small bombs, not designed to kill, but to make a loud sound. The idea was to awaken the British rulers and also the Indian public. And what's remarkable is they didn't run away. Instead, they stood there shouting Inqilab Zindabad. Long live the revolution. They allowed themselves to be arrested because their aim was not destruction, but to send a powerful message that the voice of freedom could not be silenced. A few years later, at a young age of 23, Bhagat Singh was executed. He left behind a legacy of courage, sacrifice, and an unshakable belief in justice. He showed us that true patriotism is not just about loving your country, but also about standing up for what is right, even when it's difficult. Dear students, today our struggles are different from those of Bhagat Singh's time. We may not be fighting colonial rulers, but we face challenges that are equally urgent and require the same spirit of courage and unity. One of the biggest challenges is climate change. Rising temperatures, melting glaciers, floods, droughts threaten our very future. The freedom of our leaders fought for will mean little if we do not protect the planet we live on. As students and future leaders, you can contribute by reducing waste, planting trees, saving energy, and encouraging others to live sustainably. Patriotism today also means caring for Mother Earth, because a healthy nation depends on a healthy environment. Another challenge is the violence and wars we see across borders. Even in our modern world, conflicts continue to take lives and destroy communities. While we must stay strong to protect our nation, we must also remember that peace is the ultimate goal. True independence is when nations live in harmony, respecting each other's sovereignty and working together for global progress. So on this 15th August, let us take two pledges to keep alive the courage and integrity of Bhagat Singh in our everyday actions, to protect our planet and promote peace for the sake of future generations. If we do this, we will not only honor the memory of our freedom fighters, but also pass on to our children a country and a world worth living in. Jai Hind. Children, now I request all of you to stand and stretch your hand forward to take the pledge. This is the stand and stretch your right hand forward. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। ज़मीन आसमानों में ना ही मुमकिन है दो जहानों में, जज्बे इरादे और ये जुनून बनते हैं दिल के कारखानों में। पहुंच गए अंबर से आगे, धरती से फिर भी बंधे हैं धागे, रहते वतन की मिट्टी से जुड़ के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
गंगा यमुना नदी संगमम, कृष्णा गोदावरी प्रवाहम, काशी प्रयाग पवित्र देव, भारतावनी वर प्रसाद, भारत माता वंदनम, बाल भारती वंदनम। ఆంధ్రావనిలో కూచిపూడి, తమిళనాడులో భరతనాట్యం, పంజాబ్లో బాగ్రా నృత్యం, కళలకు నిలయం భారతం, భారత మాతా వందనం, మా బాల భారతి వందనం। గాంధీ తాత బహుజన పూజిత, నెహ్రూ నేత విశ్వజనేత, ఇందిరా గాంధీ దినదశ జనత, శాంతికి నిలయం భారతం, భారత మాత వందనం, మా బాల భారతి వందనం। థ్యాంక్ యూ।
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की, जहाँ बोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। अपना है दिल ये आज का, आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा
Everyone, my name is Aditri. I am studying in LKGB section. Today I am telling about India flag. It has three colors: saffron at the top, white in the middle, green at the bottom. In middle there was a blue wheel called Ashoka Chakra. We have to respect our flag. It is our national flag. It is our pride and national country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। ना ही जमीन आसमानों में, मुमकिन है दो जहानों में, जज्बे इरादे और ये जुनून बनते हैं दिल के कारखानों में। पहुंच गए अंबर से आगे, धरती से फिर भी बंधे हैं धागे, रहते वतन की मिट्टी से जुड़ के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
अथर्वः। पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलम् अन्नं सुभाषितं मूढैः पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा विधीयते। सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी सत्येन तपते रविः सत्येन वाति वायुश्च सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितं। दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनये नये विस्मयो नाहि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्नावसुन्दराः। सद्भिरेव सहासीत सद्भिः कुर्वीत सङ्गतिं सद्भिर्विवादं मैत्रीं च नासद्भिः किञ्चिदाचरेत्। धनधान्यप्रयोगेषु विद्यायाः सङ्ग्रहेषु च आहारे व्यवहारे च त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्। क्षमावशीकृतिर्लोके क्षमया किन्न साध्यते शान्तिखड्गः करे यस्य किं करिष्यति दुर्जनः।
अत्र उपस्थितानां सर्वेषु अभिनन्दना। सप्तचतुर्विंशत्युत्तर-नवदशशततमे वर्षे आगस्ट् मासे 15 दिनाङ्के अहं स्वातन्त्र्य आगच्छत्।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡಿದೆ ಓಂಕಾರವೇ, ಈ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹಸಿರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಯ ಭಾರತಿ ಜಯ ಘೋಷವೇ. ಈ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇ ಗುರುಸ್ಥಾನ, ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಾವೇನೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಜನಗಣವೇ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯ ಗಾನ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ನಾವಿತ್ತ ದಾನ, ನಿಜ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಮಾನ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ತುಂಬಿರೋ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ. ಈ ನೆತ್ತರಲ್ಲಿ ನರನಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿದಾಡಿದೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನವೇ. ಈ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹಸಿರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಯ ಭಾರತಿ ಜಯ ಘೋಷವೇ.
Story, and this is the machine. She is my co-narrator. Today our friends are going to perform a beautiful story called A Gift of Freedom. Let me introduce the character of this story. Granddaughter Bunny, a curious proud Indian child from grade 6. Grandpa Shreya from grade 5, a retired freedom fighter from grade 5. Sanvi from grade 6, classmate of Bani and freedom fighter. Vikshika playing as Samina, grade 5, classmate of Bani and freedom fighter. Harshit from grade 6, classmate of Bani and freedom fighter. Ayush from grade 6, classmate of Bani and freedom fighter. Kirtan from grade 5, classmate of Bani and freedom fighter. Abhinav from grade 5, freedom fighter. And Umar from grade 5, freedom fighter. Pranavi from grade 5 and Atha from grade 6 playing a role as anchors in the skit. Vamshi from grade 7 playing a role as British officer. Bani and Grandpa sitting on chairs. Bani is holding a small flag.
Grandpa, tomorrow is Independence Day. Our teacher has told us that many people fought for our freedom. Were you there?
Yes, dear, I was young just like you. Life is very hard. We were not free to speak, to learn, or even to live peacefully.
Weren't you scared?
Yes, but the love for our country was more than our fear. People of all religions, Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, stood together to free India.
Wow! I wish I could tell this to everyone. I want to do something special in school tomorrow.
Good idea, then go ahead, beta, and make your school proud. Share the spirit of freedom.
Granddaughter's dream, scene 2. That night, Bani went to sleep with her heart full of patriotism. She dreamed of sharing her grandpa's story on the stage. This continues with Bani waking up excited and meeting her friends in the dream. They started planning the skit for them for Independence Day. At school, what should we perform? Scene 3. In school, children gather around talking.
Friends, I had a dream last night that we were doing a skit on freedom and everyone loved it. Let's make that dream come true.
So what should we do for Independence Day? Dance?
Let's act like a brave soldiers.
Or dress up like Rani Lakshmi or Bhagat Singh? Wait, let's show 2 Indias, one before freedom and one after.
Yes, let's show how people fought for our freedom and how we should protect it today.
Great idea! Let's do it! The skit within the skit. Before and after freedom. Scene 4. Before 1947, India was ruled by the British. People were not allowed to speak freely or get proper education. Now children perform this skit on the stage. Anchor.
Good morning to everyone present here. Today we are gathered to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our beloved country, India.
Freedom did not come easy. It came with the sacrifice and struggle of many brave heroes who dreamed of a free and united nation.
To honor their memory and remind ourselves of the value of freedom, our students are here to present a short skit titled The Gift of Freedom.
This skit will take you on a journey from days of British rule to the fight for independence. To today's India, where young voices continue the legacy of unity and pride. Please enjoy the performance. Jai Hind. Will be shouting Vande Mataram, Inkilab Zindabad, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, go away from India in various languages.
Now speaking Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Kannada or any other languages. Only English is allowed. No freedom here.
But this is our land. Why can't we speak freely?
Silence! Arrested!
मुझे स्कूल खोलना है लड़कियों के लिए.
What? I didn't understand you. You Indian girl?
I want to open a school for girls.
School for girls? Girls don't need education. Go home.
Join us, say together. Vande Mataram, Inkilab, Zindabad, Bharat Mata ki Jai. British officer walks off stage defeated. All kids freeze in a patriotic pose. One raises the flag high. India became free on 15th August 1947. But freedom came with a great sacrifice. Now after the skit. Our promise, scene 5. Children come forward holding flags. We are lucky to be free. We don't need guns to protect India, but we need to protect our freedom with unity, love and education, not with weapons. We don't fight with swords now. We should stop wars between countries and especially bio wars. We should not. Let us fight with truth and respect. We protect our country by respecting each other. Let's keep India clean, green and united. We protect our country by studying well and becoming good citizens. We protect our country by respecting all cultures and religions. We protect our country by helping those in need, not fighting over small things. And we say no to hate and yes to harmony. We protect India with peace, love and unity, not with war. Jai Hind! Welcome, Brenda. It's late for school. You said you wanted to show something to your friends. Yes, Grandpa. I had a dream last night, but it was too good to be true. And you're right, it's getting late. I have to go to school. Thank you.
Should we announce it next week? Okay, any guesses? The reverse order. Okay? We'll go in the reverse order. We'll start from the last and then announce the first prize. Okay? So, third place, we have a tie between yellow and green. Okay, third place, we have a tie between yellow and green. Now second place, any guesses? Right, second place, red house, and first place, blue house. Congratulations, everyone has put up their best and you have put in lot of hard work. We really and happy congratulations to the winning team.